So we're here, andito tayo sa, pumunta po tayo dito sa LTO and pumunta tayo dito to admit our mistake. It was a mistake.
Pangalawang birthday na natin ang magkasama tayo.
Yes, sir! More to come. More to come.
Billionaire days.
Yes, sir.
Madam,
Ano masabi mo ngayon?
pa-upgrade ng birthday. Tama ba?
Tama. Dito naman tayo ngayon, no?
Pa-upgrade ng pa-upgrade. Ano ang sagot mo?
Bakit ba tayo pa-upgrade o pa-upgrade na?
Bakit nga ba? Ikaw
Yan
magsagot.
naman, payaman kasi ng payaman eh.
Wala na tayong ibang choice.
What's there left to do?
Naman talaga dapat.
What's there left to do? Downgrade? Maintain? Ayan natin.
6.5 hours later. Early the next morning.
So we're here, andito tayo sa, pumunta po tayo dito sa LTO and pumunta tayo dito to admit our mistake. It was a mistake and it was a lesson for me. Kahit na may mga bagay na, alam mo yun, na you're just really proud of to show off to the internet. And of course, you want to inspire the youth. The sole purpose of that video talaga is to show the youth that it's possible. And yun lang naman yung purpose ko sa buhay ko. And doing that, medyo nakakalimutan na may mga na-violate tayo. And it was really a mistake. And I admit that. So, for now, siguro, hindi na tayo magdadrive, right? Hindi naman talaga dapat dahil surrendered yung license ko. And that's all, bro.
8 hours later.
Wala yung may-ari guys kasi suspended. Pero tingnan mo naman ang pogi, pinapogi nila. Josh, diyan ka muna. Mag-grab-grab ka muna.
Several months later.
Pala yun eh.
Ay, hindi niya alam.
Hindi, wala akong sinabi. Limutan mo na.